morning, children. In this third and final session of this chapter, we will discuss about application of simple equations to practical solutions. Okay, students, and we will solve some sums given in the textbook. So, let us start with the sums. Students, in this third and final session, the first topic I will explain, that is from solution to equation. Students, we know that how to form an equation, correct? And then after forming an equation, we used to solve the equation. But now here, that is equation to solution is normal path, right? First we form an equation, then we solve that equation. Now this is a reverse path. First the solution has been given and we have to form an equation. How to do that? Let us understand. Clear, children? Now here the value of the x has been given, that is equal to 5. Okay, x is equal to 5 means this is the solution of the equation. Now let us try to form an equation step by step. So here now let us multiply both the sides by 4. Clear? Multiply both the sides by 4. So if I will multiply x is equal to 4, I will get 4x, and that is equal to 5 4s are 20. Clear? Now next step is add 8 to both the sides. Clear? Now add 8 to both the sides. Now what I will get over here? If I will add 8 over here, 4x plus 8 is equal to 20 plus 8, 28. So this is our equation. 4x plus 8 is equal to 28. Clear, children? Understood? Now let us find it out whether the equation which we have formed gives the value x is equal to 5. Let us solve it and then we will come to know. So 4x plus 8 is equal to 28. Now children, you all are knowing how to solve the equation by transposing method, means changing the side. So 28 plus 8, here it is minus 8. Now 4x is equal to 20. Clear? And now over here x is equal to 4 over here in a multiplication form. So 20 upon 4, it will be here in a division form. So x is equal to 5. So what is the solution? X is equal to 5 from where we have started. Clear? Understood? So students, now we will solve the sums from exercise 4.3. Clear? Exercise 4.3. Here we will solve the sums by transposing method. Now I will tell you, I will solve some sums and rest of the sums you have to complete the exercise in your classwork. Clear? Solve all rest of the sums. Understood? Now here 2y plus 5 upon 2 is equal to 37 upon 2. Now first we will take this 5 upon 2 on the right hand side. So what will come? 2y is equal to 37 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2. Why minus? Because here it is a plus. We are changing the sign. Now 2y is equal to 37 minus 5. How much it is? Correct. 32 upon 2. Denominator is same, so we will subtract the numerator. Clear? Now 2y is equal to 2 ones are 2 and 16. So 2y is equal to 16. Now y is equal to, this 2 is in a multiplication form over here. We will, here it will be in a division form. So y is equal to 8. So understood children how to solve the sum? Let us solve one more example. 2b upon 3 minus 5 is equal to 3. So over here 2b upon 3 is equal to this minus 5, over here it will be plus 5. So 3 plus 5. Now 2b upon 3 is equal to 8. Now this 3 is in a division form over here. What it will be over here? Correct. It will be multiplication. So 2b is equal to 8 into 3. So 2b is equal to 24 and b is equal to 24 divided by 2, that gives us b is equal to 12. So understood children? Clear? Now moving to sum number 2. The sum is minus 4 into bracket 2 plus x is equal to 8. Now children, here minus 4 and the bracket, in between this there is no any sign, so minus 4 we will have is in a multiplication form with both the numbers. Clear? So minus 4 into 2, so what will come? Minus 8. Minus 4 and x, so minus 4x is equal to 8. Clear? Now minus 4 here left hand side only, and this 8 and this minus 8 will be plus 8. Understood? Clear? So minus 4x is equal to 16 and x is equal to 16 upon minus 4. So what will come? X is equal to minus 4. 4 ones are 4 and 4 fours are 16. But as it is a minus, so answer is x is equal to minus 4. Now the next sum is 4 into bracket 2 minus x is equal to 8. Again the same thing, we will multiply 4 and 2 and 4 and x. Correct? So 4 multiplied by 2 minus 4 multiplied by x is equal to 8. I am just showing one more step over here. Now 4 2s are 8 minus 4x is equal to 8. Now here this 8 is having a addition sign. So over right hand side it will become subtraction. So minus 4x is equal to 8 minus 8, and that gives us 8 minus 8 is 0. So now what will come? X is equal to 0 upon minus 4, which gives us 0. Understood? Clear? Moving to sum number 3. The sum is 16 is equal to 4 plus 3 into bracket t plus 2. Now what we will do? First we will solve this bracket. Clear? So 16 is equal to 4 plus 3 will be multiplied with t and 2. So 3t plus 3 2s are 6. Clear? Now children, 16 is equal to 4 and 6 gives us 10. So 3t plus 10. Understood? Now what will come? The 10 will come over this side. So 16 minus 10 is equal to 3t. Getting? Okay. 16 minus 10 gives us 6 is equal to 3t. And t is equal to 6 upon 3, because here t is in a multiplication form. Here it will become a division form. So now t is equal to 2. 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. Understood? Clear? One more other example. Sorry. 4 plus 5 into bracket p minus 1. That is equal to 34. Now what will come? P multiplied by 5 and 5 multiplied by 1 also. So 4 plus 5p minus 5 ones are 5 is equal to 34. Now plus 4 and minus 5, what will come? Correct, minus 1. So 5p minus 1 is equal to 34. Now this plus minus 5 over here on the right hand side, yes, we will write as plus 1. So 5p is equal to 34 plus 1. So 5p is equal to 35 and then 5p, p is equal to 35 upon 5 and so p is equal to 7. Understood? Clear? Now moving to sum number 4. Let us solve. Children, here in this sum, what we have to do? We have to go to reverse path. The solution of the equation has been given and we have to form 3 different equations in such a way that the solution of that equations will be x is equal to 2. Correct? Understood? So let us see. Now over here x is equal to 2. Multiply both the sides by 2. Means what we have to do? We have to multiply both the sides by 2. So x is equal to 2. X into 2, 2x and is equal to 2 2s are 4. So 2x is equal to 4. Add 7 to both the sides. Now I have to add 7 to both the sides. So what will come? 2x plus 7 is equal to 4 plus 7, 11. So this is our equation. 2x plus 7 is equal to 11. That is our first equation. Clear, children? Understood? Are you getting? Now the next is subtract 3 from both the sides. So again I will write x is equal to 2. Now subtract 3 from both the sides. So x minus 3 is equal to, suppose if I will subtract 2 from minus 3 from 2, I will get minus 1. Understand? Clear? Now multiply both the sides by 4. So we have to multiply both the sides by 4. So 4 into bracket x minus 3 is equal to minus 1 into 4 gives us minus 4. Understood, children? Clear? Add 11 to both the sides. Now we have to add 11 to both the sides. So 4 into bracket x minus 3 plus 11 is equal to, if you will add 11 to this, minus 4 plus 11, that will give us 7. Understood, children? Clear? And now the last one is, look at here, we will find it out again. X is equal to 2. Correct? Multiply both the sides by 4. So now what we have to do? Multiply it by 4. So 4x is equal to 2 4s are 8. Clear? And subtract 3 from 8. So 4x minus 3 is equal to 8 minus 3. What will come? 5. So children, have you seen that these are the 3 different equations we have formed? The first one is 2x plus 7 is equal to 11. Our second equation is 4 into bracket x minus 3 plus 11 is equal to 7. And the last equation is 4x minus 3 plus 5 is equal to 4x minus 3 is equal to 5. So these are the three equations we have formed. Understood? Clear? Now children, I will explain one sum. These sums are of equation only and they are practical, based on practical situation. Clear? So here for example, see, Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. Now children, we are not aware, find Raju's age if his father's age is 44 years. Clear? Now here we are not aware about Raju's age. What is the age of Raju? So let us write that Raju's age is suppose x years. Correct? Understood? And what is the father's age? Father's age is 44 years. Understand? Clear? Now, here I will see, now we will form an equation. Father's age is 44 years, means is equal to 44. And now that is Raju's father's age is 5 years more. 5 years more means plus 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. What is Raju's age? 3. So 3x. So 3x plus 5 is equal to 44 is our equation. This 44 is equal to 3x, 3 times Raju's age plus 5. Clear? Understood? Now let us solve the sum. 3x is equal to 44 minus 5. So 3x is equal to 39 and x is equal to 39 upon 3. That gives us x is equal to 13. So what is Raju's age? Raju's age is 13 years. Clear? Understood? Students, in exercise 4.4, in sum number 1, we have to set up an equation and then we have to solve it. Clear? So, here I have taken, when I subtracted 11 from twice a number. Twice a number means, we can say 2m minus 11, correct? 2m minus 11. The result was 15. So that is equal to 15. Clear children? Understood? Now 2m minus 11 is equal to 15. So 2m is equal to 15 plus 11, because now from left hand side to right hand side. Now 2m is equal to 26 and m is equal to 26 upon 2. That gives us m is equal to 13. Clear? Understood children? Simple? Okay. Now one more example I will solve. Anwar thinks of a number. If he takes away 7 from 5 upon 2 of the number, that is, the result is 23. So first of all, what is the result? That is 23. Correct? And Anwar thinks of a number. Which number he thought? We are not aware. So let us take it as x. Correct? Let us take the number. Let the number be x. Let the number be x. Correct? Let the number be x. Now Anwar thinks of a number, and if he takes away 7 from 5 upon 2 of the number. Clear? So now what we will write? 5x upon 2 minus 7 is equal to 23. Clear children? Understood? Now let us solve the sum. 5x is equal to 23. Now 7 is over here subtract in a subtraction form. So here that is to be added or subtracted? Correct. It is to be added. So add 7. Clear? Upon 2. Now 5x upon 2 is equal to 23 plus 7. So again 5x upon 2 is equal to 30. Are you getting? Do you understand? And then this 2 is in a division form. Over this side it is in a multiplication. So 5x is equal to 30 into 2. Clear? That gives us 5x is equal to 60 and x is equal to 60 upon 5. That gives us 12. Clear? Understood? Students, moving to second sum. What the sum says? In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. The vertex angle is 40 degree. What are the base angles of the triangle? Now children, tell me, in an isosceles triangle, how many sides are equal? Which kind of a triangle can be said that it is an isosceles triangle? Suppose the two sides are equal, then we can say that this is an isosceles triangle. Correct? Over here, two base angles are equal, means this is also x and this is also x, and the measurement of this angle is 40 degree. Clear? And children, tell me, what is the sum of measure of all the three angles of the triangle? Correct. It is 180 degree. So now here x plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. Correct? Now x plus x, 2x is equal to 180 minus 40 degree, that is equal to x is equal to 140 divided by 2. So x is equal to 70 degree. Understood children? Clear? So the measurement of each angle of base angle is of 70 degree. Understood? Clear? Students, in sum number 3, we will solve the last sum. Over here it is given, people of Sundargram planted trees in the village garden. Correct? Some of the trees were fruit trees and the number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. What was the number of fruit trees planted if the number of non-fruit trees planted was 77? First of all children, here you understand that there are two types of trees. Some are non-fruit trees and some are fruit trees. Correct? Understood? Okay. Now here we have to find what was the number of fruit trees. We have to find how many number of fruit trees are there if the number of non-fruit trees planted was 77. Clear? Understood? And now what is the condition? This 77 is equal to the number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than. 2 more than means plus 2 more than. See, 2 more than 3 times the number. 2 more than 3 times means 3x. So what our equation is? 3x plus 2 is equal to 77. Now let us find out the answer. 3x is equal to 77 minus 2. So 3x is equal to 75 and x is equal to 75 upon 3. Correct? So what will come? X is equal to 25. So what was the number of fruit trees? the number of fruit trees is 25. Clear? Understood? Now students, look at here. We have completed exercise 4.4 also. Here your entire chapter is over. Now rest of all the sums which we have not solved here, you have to complete that exercise in your classwork. Understood? Clear? Properly do all the revision worksheets and all. Thank you so much.